I've had enough.
You want to know what I'm scared of? I'm scared of everything. I'm scared to move. I'm scared to breathe. I'm scared to touch you. You made me love you. You made me let you in. And then you freaking die in my arms.
It doesn't matter what I do. Or what I choose. I'm what's wrong. Nothing I can do about it. If I'm not hurting myself, I'm hurting everyone around me. There's nothing I can do about it.
Thomas, settle down. And I owe you so much.
I don't know what to say.
Say it's our fault. Say we failed it.
How do you keep going when the worst thing has happened? What do you have to change inside to survive? What do you have to become?
Why didn't you do something? You should have done something. You did.